one from yesterday.
You're silly, buddy.
Yeah.
Well, we've been staying in Page the past few nights. We're on our last night here, then we're headed to the Grand Canyon, and we're doing all of our sightseeing today. Just been doing rat killing, letting Barrett play before this, but we made it out to Lone Rock, so let's check it out here. We were out here about 3 years ago, I think, February 23 or February 22, something like that. And the water was also at its lowest point, and right now it's just about 18 feet above that, so it's super low as well. So normally there's water surrounding that rock, and now there's not. But the high point is the top of the white line, which means that the water was covering this beach that we're staying on right here, which is pretty crazy. But you come out here and camp, whatever you want. You do have to pay. It's like 15 or 20 bucks a night, something like that. But it's a pretty spot. Water's gorgeous this morning. We got a couple other spots to go see, and then we are out of here. We're at the Grand Staircase Escalante BLM Visitor Center. I'm about to look at some dinosaur fossils. Big water just north of Page. Place is pretty cool. Well, we're going to give you 10 seconds of the Grand Canyon just to prove that we came here. But too cold, too windy to get Barrett out, so we're just driving around collecting stamps for his passport book. And that's about the only time I've got out and looked at it, because it looks the same as last time I was here, so there it is in all its glory. Well, our last stop for this trip is the Petrified Forest Painted Desert National Park, right along Interstate 40 in Arizona. And that's where we're at now. We'll let Barrett run around a little bit. We're just driving through. There's not a whole lot to see at this park. It is pretty and easily, conveniently located right on Interstate 40, so it's worth stopping at for sure. Time for Barrett to run around a little bit and get some juice out of him. We're going to stay on the south end of the park tonight, and then tomorrow head to somewhere around Amarillo, stay the night there, and then head home after that. So the nice thing about the Painted Desert is everything's like right off the road. No hiking required.